Introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Akshay Kulkarni. I am from Indore. I am completed my graduation from RGPV University with 6.45 CGPA. I complete my 12th class education from Lalwani Public School with 72 percentage, and I am complete my 10th class education from RRMB Gujarati School Indore with 62 percentage.
Okay. You are applying for manual testing profile. Okay. So do you know the difference between manual testing and automation testing?
Yes, sir.
What is the main difference between them?
Sir, in manual testing, we are performing functional testing and non-functional testing both. But in automation testing, we are performing functional testing.
Okay. You can tell the name of any automation tool.
Selenium.
Okay. You are comfortable in manual testing or automation testing?
It's manual testing.
Okay, manual testing. What is software testing? Means how to define software testing exactly?
So in software testing, we are providing quality assurance and quality control to a client to their softwares and application.
Okay. And anything else? Only you are providing quality control and quality assurance using software testing, nothing else.
Yes, so security, maintenance.
Okay. If suppose that we have any product and we not implement testing operations,
Yes,
and we deliver this product to client, then what major problem will be arise for companies?
Some major problem like there are UI problems, user interface, some functionality are not working at client environment. They are working at our company side, but they are not working at client side.
That means suppose that development level we have already tested, then any requirement for testing level? Means developer already tested all these things, okay, and they say that yeah it's okay. Then testing will be completed or not?
So if developer testing the application,
Okay.
this is time consuming,
Okay.
and he is not able to test everything. Like one build is completed, he tests this build, there was another build, then he tests this build. So this is time consuming process.
Okay, means you say that means development level it's not possible completely. Okay, means there should be separate.
The tester are trained.
Okay, tester are completely trained for testing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, developers has combined works. That's
Yes,
why
sir.
it's not possible.
For
Okay,
time
any type of testing which is only possible by or only done by development team, not by testing team.
unit testing,
Unit testing.
happy path testing.
Okay, unit testing is only managed by development.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is unit testing? Do you know?
Yes, sir.
What is unit testing?
So in unit testing, we are testing the applications program
Okay.
for a module.
Okay.
Like for a single module, we are test the program is right or not.
Okay, means programming part we will check
Yes.
in case of unit
Unit
testing.
testing.
What is system testing?
System testing, we are checking end-to-end application.
Okay,
Yes.
how end to end means?
So end-to-end means we are check full flow, like we are booking any ticket in IRCTC. First we select the city, then we select destination, then we click on enter button. So we can check full flow of the application.
Okay, means what is the difference between system testing and end to end testing? Both are same or both are different?
Both are same.
Both are same. Okay. But while testing
Sir, in
content
system
defined into two different ways, you can simply say that system testing and end to end is same.
So in system testing, we are check full application like UI content, header, footer.
Suppose that we have only 20% part of application will be completed. Okay, is completed. Suppose that, and we want to implement testing. That is the part of system testing or not?
No, sir.
Okay, which how to define this type of testing? Suppose that we have incomplete application.
Sir,
And
if
we are
test
testing this.
20% of application, this is system testing. But if application is completed, then we are test from first end to last end. Then this is called end-to-end testing. Full application test is end-to-end testing.
Okay. What is UAT?
UAT, user acceptance testing, which is done by client at a client location. UAT have two parts, so alpha testing or beta.
Okay.
In alpha testing,
This is the part of UAT, alpha
Yes,
testing and beta
alpha
testing.
and beta is a part of UAT.
Okay.
In alpha testing, we have companies test the application at company sites, but at UAT, client check the application at client environment.
Okay. Any model where we use UAT in initial stage? Do you know about model, software
Yes,
model?
sir.
Okay. Then you can tell the name of the model which use UAT initially.
So prototype.
Prototype model.
Yes, sir.
It use UAT testing, means user acceptance testing implemented by prototype model.
Yes.
Do you know V model?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many type of testing will be implemented there?
4 type.
Which one?
Unit, integration, system, UAT.
Yeah. So my question was is that UAT testing is managed by V model. Okay. V model is the first model where we use testing implementation at the time of documentation also.
Yes.
Okay. You have done testing on any live project applications?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
ER room rent.
ER room
COVID
rent
Shanti.
means ER room rent or E room rent?
Room rent.
Okay. What? How many type of users there?
Yes, they are owner
Yes.
or tenants
Okay.
or admin.
Owner, tenants, and admin. Okay. You have done login testing for login. Okay. How many test cases you have write for login operation?
So login.
Test case step. I want to know test case steps. How many steps you follow to check login?
So first I'll check UI contents.
Okay.
Then titles of the fields.
Okay.
Then I'll check for email address.
Okay.
Then password.
Okay.
Then button, login button.
Okay. And any other thing? Email ID. What you have checked? Email address formatted or email address availability.
Format or availability both.
And how do you check that email ID is correct or not? Suppose that I am providing you one email ID. Okay, how you can justify that this email ID is correct or not?
So the system provided a validation message if email ID is incorrect.
How to manage it? Means how to implement it. Suppose that I am not asking about testing, I am just asking about logical questions. Suppose you have any email ID or mobile number. Okay, now you can I'll justify that there are lots of email ID and mobile numbers in India.
Yes.
How you can justify that this is email ID is usable or this is email ID is valid or not?
So you may
Not based on format, based on usability. Means this email ID is usable or not. How to check it?
the email ID contain domain.
Suppose that gmail.com I am asking about.
Yes.
I have my email ID, I am writing shiva.gtm123@gmail.com. How do you justify that this email ID is exist or not? This email ID is valid or not?
So by entering an application, if I am signing
I can write ssss@gmail.com. And this type of no email ID.
if this email ID is registered in website,
Yeah.
so it can accept it.
Website, gmail.com is a different thing. Your website is a different thing. Okay. So my question is there, how to check from Gmail that this email ID is correct or not? Any options? This is not a part of testing, this is a part of analysis. How to justify that this is the actual email ID or this email ID is usable by a client? Suppose that we are registering any applications. This any email ID I can write xyz123@gmail.com and we continue. But nowadays you know that there are lots of applications who verify email ID. How to verify that?
So they are sending a message to a Gmail like I am registering.
Yes, that thing I want. OTP.
OTP.
OTP, you can send the OTP
Ah, sir.
code and that code sent to your email ID and that code it will be cross checked.
Yes, sir.
Okay, their answer is that OTP. Okay.
OTP.
The OTP is a which type of testing? Suppose that you are validated a OTP from cross application. Then which type of testing?
So transaction testing.
Transaction or integration?
So transaction.
Transactional testing or integration testing or API testing.
API.
Yeah, it is a part of API testing because OTP code will generate API and that API you will check to cross under cross applications. Okay, okay, that's fine. You should prepare for next round also. Okay.